morning and a very happy Independence Day to all of you, especially my little geniuses. Our nation resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. These are the golden words of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Today, India is celebrating its 74th Independence Day, and we all are so proud enough to witness this auspicious day. Our father of nation and numerous freedom fighters fought for the independence of India, and it's only because of their hardships, struggles, sacrifices we got freedom. And we are in sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic Republic India. And this what makes India unique and beautiful. Today we all salute to freedom fighters and also to doctors and corona warriors who were fighting against this deadly disease, risking their own lives and making others' life comfortable. So let us be united not only from words but also from mind, body and soul. Once again, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Stay home, stay safe, stay united. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Let be freedom in mind, soul, and body. Faith in your words and pride in your nature. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. I radically welcome to this exclusive online assembly. Well, this assembly specially designed to keep all of us together and learn better using our online resources. Let's move further with our friends for various programs. I would like to call Zarun to lead you this online assembly.
Activities. Every sunrise is a new opportunity. We should not miss it. We should wake up and enjoy the sun. I am Darun from class 2nd W along with the members of my class. Wishing you a cheerful morning. I am going to introduce to a special morning assembly on Independence Day. Nothing can be started without the respect of Almighty who created this world with soul and who created this whole universe. So I would like to call Talharia to recite few verses of Al-Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Which instill a sense of patriotism among us. Let's take an out with Mohammed Rehan. India is my country.
Raise your right hand. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teacher, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Safan Sheikh is going to sing for us.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Independence Day. लंबे आती है दुआ बन के
यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस
जिस तरह फूल से होती
चमन की जीनत
लगी वो मेरी परवान की सूरत यार इल्म की शम्मा से हो मुझको मोहब्बत यार वो मेरा काम गरीबों से हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से
बचाना मुझको
नेक जो राह है उस राह पे चलाना
को बुराई से बचाना मुझको थैंक यू and a new hope small positive thought can change your life. So brighten our morning assembly. Would like to call Pranit for thought of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Pranit Tanu. Happy Independence Day with great love. We live in a nation in which love, respect, and togetherness, feelings for work and for showing. Freedom in the mind, faith in the west, pride in our soul. Let's salute our nation on this day.
I think I am reading is English is an international language. The language without learning English we are nothing. So for the English speech, I would like to invite Omar Faru and Rishi.
Good morning, respected teachers and dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from British rule. In this occasion, we should remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Dear friends, let's work together to make our country the best country in the world. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. My name is Umar Saad Ahmed. I study in class 2W. Respected teachers and dear friends, today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. It is our national festival. India got independence on 15th of August 1947 from East India Company. Many freedom fighters like Gandhiji, Tipu Sultan and many more fought for independence, our independence. We celebrate this every year. Thank you.
Ourselves every day shows awareness towards our nation. News make understand what is happening around us. So to enlighten us with current happening, here is Owais Ahmed with latest news update.
Good morning everyone, I'm Owais Ahmed, studying in class 2 second W. Today I'm going to tell news updates of 15th August 2020. India turns 74. PM Modi unfurls tricolor addresses nation. Emirates launches air bridge between Dubai, Lebanon. Emergency relief. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
The strange but true facts proves that the world is really strange and magical place. Here is Sayyid Abu Warza with interesting science fact which we never learned before.
Hello, my dear teacher and friends. Happy Independence Day. My name is Abu Barza. I am studying in 2nd W. Today I am going to telling about human body fact. We only have 2 body parts that never stop growing. Human noses and ear. Keep getting bigger. Even when the rest of the body growth has come to a halt.
Amazing, thanks for increasing our knowledge.
मेरा नाम अभिनव है। मैं 2 कक्षा में पढ़ रहा हूँ। मैं स्वतंत्र दिवस के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। स्वतंत्र दिवस प्रत्येक वर्ष 15 अगस्त को पूरे भारत में बड़े धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। यह भारत का राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है। हमारा देश 15 अगस्त 1947 को अंग्रेजों से आज़ाद हुआ था। इस दिन हम सब शहीदों के बलिदान को याद करते हैं। इस दिन प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा लाल किले पर झंडा फहराया जाता है। यह दिन हमें एकता में रहने का संदेश देता है। धन्यवाद।
Thanks Abhinav to make us proud to be an Indian. It adds color to our life. An assembly is incomplete without school task. Our school task is here to sing patriotic song. Please do sing with Aris Rahman. Another patriotic song by Hate Modi, our very talented friend.
मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ। बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। रास्ते पे चलूंगा ना डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के। मंजिल से पहले ना लूंगा कोई दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। दाहिने बाई ठम, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ। बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। बड़ा होके देश का सितारा बनूंगा, दुनिया की आंखों का तारा बनूंगा। रखूंगा ऊंचा तिरंगा परचम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। दाहिने बाई ठम।
Ready for Saudi national anthem by Sameer.
سري نشط العلياء ماجدي لخالق السماء، وارفع خفاق وأخضر يحمي النور المسطر. رددي الله أكبر يا موطني موطني. فخر المسلمين عاش الملك للعام وطن.
Let's wind up this assembly by singing the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। इनके हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल चलती तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाए तव जय गाता, जन गण मंगल द्राविड़ जय भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। जय यमुना गंगा उज्जैन जनसी तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे डव जय गाटा, जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय